Gavana Masia James Orengo ilore kama tek tok jotelo kwere mondo were gi weche mag siasa mathoth kendo ket maino mare kelo dongruok e kaunti no. Jatend migawo mar teko Pio WANDAYI ose Orengo kuom tayo kaunti ma Siaya e yo marach kowacho ni gik morengo wacho osekelo wichkuot n'oganda jo Siaya. WANDAYI lieko ni dongruok e kaunti ma Siaya adok piny ni mar Orengo oketo maino e nono gik ma sirikal mamalo timo to jwang'o tijene ma kaunti no. Kanolose gweng' ma Upanda Sigombre sub kaunti ma Ugunja ka no wechegego no sir gi Senator ma Siaya Dr. Oburu Oginga.
What is happening in Siaya today, Siaya as a county, is a big embarrassment. What is happening in Siaya is a big embarrassment. As a cabinet secretary, I traveled to all these counties. But Siaya County is not only an embarrassment to us, but is indeed something extremely shameful. That Siaya County has become the laughingstock in the community of counties in this country. Adamurakua Governor Mamarwa. Please, Bwana Governor, focus on service delivery to the people of Siaya. It cannot be just the issue of jumping up and down every day, and yet service delivery in the county has collapsed completely.
Cause me teach, me teach ni manokoro mari. To teach no. We jok moko milungo ni activists, but to teach mara activism. To into me teach mara executive ni governor Morito Siaya mangema. In your president Martin Maturwaka, in your president wa. Emomi okidhi maber tu apaki. To kidhi marach tu ati minadi. Wasi